Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about 3 stocks that I'm buying this month, August 2020 edition. So the first one on my list is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. So Disney stock has been making quite a big comeback, but the pandemic has impacted their diversified portfolio. So if we compare Disney stock at the time of filming this and compare it to where the stock was a year ago, we'd see that Disney is only currently down about 8% from where it was last year. But then again, I'm filming this on a day where at the moment Disney stock is up around 9%. And one of the reasons why Disney stock is up right now is Disney reported that over this last quarter, they did make an 8-cent profit per share. And Disney making a little bit of a profit comes as quite a bit as a surprise for some people. That is because Disney's theme parks are closed, Disney's cruise lines closed, any vacationing with Disney is canceled, the releases of the movies to theaters are canceled, production of the movies are canceled, Disney's whole summer domination is canceled, but one area where they're still winning is in streaming. Disney Plus currently has about 60.5 million paying streaming customers, and combined with Hulu and ESPN Plus, they have about 100 million customers worldwide. And Disney is looking to expand with a new streaming service internationally so that they can help push their ABC and Fox branding content to more of an audience. Now here in the United States, they put that content out through Hulu, but Hulu is mostly known in the United States, so they got to have something that they can reach the international audience, and they're using the Star brand to get that out. So streaming is carrying a lot of the weight at Disney, and it's nice that they know that they need to expand on that. But one thing that I don't like what they're doing with their streaming is they just announced that after 3 attempts to release Mulan in theaters, that they're going to be putting it out on Disney Plus, but not for free. They're going to be charging $30 to rent it, which doesn't really make sense to me because customers pay monthly or yearly to watch movies on Disney Plus, and they're looking to basically charge what one customer pays for 5 months of Disney Plus service for just one movie. And especially since their biggest competitor, which is Netflix, who produces high budget movies all the time and releases them on their platform without charging a pay-per-view. Now, putting that to the side, what I'm most interested in Disney for is streaming. Now, seeing how Netflix is worth just about the same amount of money as Disney is why I'm so interested in Disney's streaming. And not that just that, but where Disney can take their streaming, given what they have with their animation, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, and all the stuff that they acquired with Fox, like Avatar, for example, where they can take that in the future. I can see it being worth so much more. All right, now let's move on to the next stock, which is Delta Airlines, ticker symbol DAL. Everybody knows that airline stocks have been hit hard with the pandemic, and Delta Airlines, if we're looking at it at the price that it's currently at compared to where it was this time last year, its stock is down about 55%. So far, airlines have been able to avoid bankruptcy thanks to lifelines that the government has offered them, one of those being the CARES Act. The CARES Act gave the industry $50 billion, with half that money being set aside for payroll to prevent layoffs through September 30th. Now, as that money is starting to run out, it's looking like the industry is going to be able to get another $25 billion lifeline to help continue payroll. Now, these are just temporary patches on the problem, but the government is helping to keep companies like Delta Airlines in the air. Now, when it comes to my investment into Delta Airlines, my play basically is that if we were to look at the stock where it was at 6-7 months ago, if it was to be back at that price, I would double my money. But that's not realistic to think. But what could be realistic is that we are in an election year, and regardless of who wins the presidency, one of the main focuses is going to be how are we going to open this country back up. So that's where my thoughts are with investing into Delta Airline. All right, so the last stock on this list is Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. Virgin Galactic has not been public for a year yet, but the stock has seen prices in the $7 range and then even going up to the $40 range. So one of the reasons why I'm more interested in Virgin Galactic right now is that the stock has been trending down a little bit recently. It has, at the time I filmed this, the stock has broken below $20 a share. So that's a price point that I want to get into and start picking up more. Now, the reason why the stock has dropped down is that they have reported yet another quarterly loss. But anybody that has ever followed Virgin Galactic will know that they have never sent a customer in space yet. So you can't expect them to have any sort of profits. And a couple of other things have also affected the stock a little bit. One of those being that Virgin Galactic recently just told investors that it does not plan to send founder Richard Branson into space until first quarter next year. The company also announced plans to raise about $460 million in a sale of about 20.5 million shares of common stock. Now, to me, the good news with Virgin Galactic overshadows the bad news, and one of the good news being that Virgin Galactic just recently showed the unveiling of their cabin, which is pretty cool looking, and there is a video available on YouTube where you can see a complete walkthrough of it. Another piece of news that just came out is that Virgin Galactic is working with Rolls-Royce to create an aircraft that can go 3 times the speed of sound. And they describe the aircraft as being a Mach 3 certified delta wing aircraft with a capacity to seat between 9 and 19 people at an altitude above 60,000 feet. So the whole point behind this aircraft is going to be for high-speed travel, to get from one point to another really fast. This is not part of space tourism. They're also going to be in the travel business. This is something that is a bigger package with Virgin Galactic in the future. That's why I'm very bullish on this company. And to give you an idea of how fast Mach 3 is, that's around 2,300 miles per hour. And a flight from San Francisco to New York is about 2,500 miles. So pretty much you could take a little nap and wake up on the other side of the country. Last thing going on Virgin Galactic is that they're expected to receive key FAA licenses. Now, currently they have 24 of 29 that are needed. So anyways, those are the stocks that I'm actively buying here in August 2020. Now, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts on the stocks that I mentioned: Disney, Delta Airlines, and Virgin Galactic. I'm invested in all 3. And I want to remind you guys, just like all my other videos, this is not meant to be any sort of financial advice. I just share my thoughts and opinions with you guys. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon. Hey, real quick, if you guys need to build a website, check out my affiliate, hostm1.com. And you can find me on Instagram at micro_investor.